Hello and hi to beautiful people. This is Muhammad Akbar and your trainer, and I appear with another lesson, another phrase, another expression that is in connection with. Do you know how to use in connection with and where we must use in connection with? Usually we use in connection with in articles, in newspaper, in magazine. In verbal we don't use in connection with because it is not the place where you use in connection with if you want to show the connection or coordination between two things, so you don't need make the example you don't need make the example with in connection with. We use in relation to something. That is the phrase of using something to showing the connection and coordination and combination of two another thing, two different things. So that is place. But if you want to use in connection with, so you must use where something is impermissible, something is illegal, something is sort of crime, sort of illegal act in our society, in our country. Like if you want to say crime or rape, molestation, or telling a lie, and that is one side love, it is very unacceptable anywhere and with anyone. So that is the place you use something is sort of crime, sort of illegal, something is sort of impermissible, so we use in connection with. Okay, let's have some beautiful example so that you can understand, so that you can comprehend the meaning, the uses of in connection with. The very first example: she has been beaten in connection with one-sided love. Okay, you will be arrested in connection with rape. I was beaten in connection with molestation of some girls. So that is phrase, that is place where you should use in connection with. I hope that you have enjoyed, and if you like this video, so subscribe my channel, hit the like button and bell icon too.